You think this house looks great now? Watch this. Two kitchens on the golf course and just dropped $100,000. This custom built in Echelon is now $3.6 million and is ready and turnkey. You're right on the golf course with a clubhouse close by, so your days can be golf, dinner, and home. And the lighting in this home is unreal. Bright, clean, modern, and it just feels good. You also get an elevator, so every level is easy. Plus a finished basement, two kitchens, perfect for hosting holidays or keeping life simple. Then the wow moment, a saltwater pool and spa that's heated. This backyard is the one. And don't forget about the 5-car garage, space for everything. If you want a high-end home that's ready now in a golf lifestyle setting, this is it. Want to see it in person? DM me for a private showing.